What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. My name is Isaiah Tukes, and today I don't know what we're gonna be doing. I'm just playing. I know, but I ain't gonna tell y'all. Y'all just have to see. But I cleaned my car today. Oh, it's the first time I cleaned it. The wheels look clean, dog. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's get this show on the road. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn the post notifications on. And I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Peace. Yo, big money right here, man. Big money. This car just cut me off. Hey, y'all. Buy some merch. Positive vibes only. Black on black. Black on black. Oh, yeah. Skinny tire. Fat motherfucker. Yeah, that's the one.
He just decided that was from Canyon, right? 2013.
And this the one that had twin turbos and it's like 1,000 horsepower.
Yeah.
What the heck? I rode in this thing one time. That time after Red Lobster, I think, and Perry. Yeah. It's cool as hell. Why he ain't? What he doing with this one?
We finna get it back right.
It's huge, man.
Put some more stuff on that.
For sure, man. I need to. Cause I was just thinking about it today. I was like, I ain't seen this car in a while.
Mm-hmm.
I ain't even know he still had it. It's my first time seeing the damn turbo on that thing.
Yeah, that turbo nice.
That thing is
We got a new turbo in the garage too.
for this?
No, I think we finna put it on that Foxbody.
Oh shoot. Yeah, that gonna make some money right there.
Oh,
That gonna make bank. Hot Boys Racing.
yeah. Hot boy racing, man.
The all black, man. The all black is far.
We need that doggone 2019 out here, man.
I think Uncle Sean was the one that really got me into cars. It's either that or video games.
Yeah, probably games the Midnight Club.
Yeah.
Midnight Club, Beach.
Cause I remember the Trans Am and shit.
Yeah, that Trans Am.
Yeah. That's when. And then I seen that Ferrari and that just made me fall in love. I seen that Ferrari in Lee County. This thing's nasty. Crazy. Jesus. Huh? You got the quick release? What the heck? Freaking, what are these? These are 275s. You can see the rubber on the side right here. That thing is crazy. Check it out again. Hot Boys Racing. I just somewhat cleaned my car too. Cleaned the rims on it. It's clean, but it's slow. It's slow. This thing is badass right here. Got the freaking. I like that. We
I
gonna
don't know if I got a cold. I don't know if it's still cold or not.
cold to my cold start.
Yeah.
I just about to ask when you gonna lower it.
Probably this month. Sometime this month, probably.
GT. It's kind of a cold start. That sounds nice. Sounds nice. Sounds nice. GT V8, boy. I like that thing, man. I like the ass ends of Mustangs. That thing look so fast.
Yeah.
Like the tail light, like that shit is dope.
Might have got
Man.
an accident. They had to change the whole pipe. I gotta get this whole pipe changed. Twist it back around back normal. You see it?
Oh yeah, I do see it. Yeah, it is kind of twisted.
Yeah. Accident. They had that whole pipe right there was bent. They hit this part. They had to take my whole. Like my sensor still ain't working on it.
Dang.
I had to let it.
And you can't even tell it got hit though. I mean,
Yeah,
you can't
yeah,
even
you-
tell
yeah,
until you
exactly.
told me. But once he lower this thing, bro, that thing gonna be right sleeper. Until you look hard enough and see that thing.
Yeah.
Until you look hard enough. You won't even know, man. You won't even know, man. Race car stuff. I'm finna try to sit in this thing. Jesus. Oh. Jeez. Race car. These seats are hard. But I'll drive this thing. I'll drive it every day if I had it. This thing is fire, man. Roll cage in the back. Race car stuff, man. This thing is crazy. Oh. Hell yeah. You take the Batmobile out. This thing is cool as hell. That tent though. That black ice though. Ooh. Heck yeah. Safety first. I always wear seatbelts.
Always.
One time I had got in the wreck. I was with my friends, bro, and we hit the back of a car. And if I ain't had my seatbelt on, bro, I probably like
Went through the windshield.
yeah, windshield. My face would have been in the dash, dog. I'm telling you. I was about my neck would hurt so bad after that, bro. Like,
Just hit a car.
and what?
Just hit. She was in her Lexus. That's why she in my dad's car.
Dang. She hit them?
Mm-hmm.
Dang.
See, my dad got that. He got like his car was already kind of modded. Like they took the wing off and they changed it to black. They got Nito street tires on there.
Talking about his blue one?
Yeah.
They changed it black? The whole car black?
No, just the wing.
Oh, I'm about to
Just
say.
the wing.
I was say they changed the whole thing.
Oh no, hell no. His was modded already, kind of. They got a 10 already on there.
Who's faster?
His
His is?
definitely is.
How though?
He got more torque.
Torque. Oh. I say they both 5.0s.
Mm-hmm. We got the same amount of horse. I got 460. He got 460, but he got E85 tune on his already.
Oh man, so
Yeah,
he put
so-
E85 in that thing. Oh yeah.
I just feel his over E85 yesterday.
Where you get it from? Is it easy to find out here?
It's actually at the gas station.
I ain't never even looked for
Jack's
E85
Corner.
before. I ain't never looked for E85. Bro, this thing is so smooth. Like when it switch gears, it is like it don't even like jerk you or nothing. Like single clutch, guys. I don't know nothing about no dual clutch or nothing like that though. This thing is crazy.
Already.
Oh my god. I would get in trouble with this, dog.
Facts. I got so many tickets, man. I got so many tickets. I got too many.
I probably would just get like making hella noise, like burning out and type shit. Like I don't really be speeding like that unless I be on the interstate. But I don't be speeding. But I mean, if I had this,
It just be like with me,
speed.
I see it straight away and I'm finna test my car out.
Exactly, bro.
Cause it like at nighttime I don't know why, but it just feel like it moved different. I don't know. I really don't know. But I think it be that cold air cause it already cause these cars like I don't know, it be that
sucking
cold
in
air,
that
sucking
cold
all
air.
that in.
Yeah, that does help keep it cool down. Yeah.
Once I get that, I'm gonna get that air raid. I don't know what kind of cold air intake system I want though. I don't know which one I want.
I be hearing
Roush or air raid.
Roush or air raid.
That air raid, that never failed though. I really want to test that Roush out because I don't think too many people out here really got a Roush intake system.
Yeah, Roush intake. Yeah, a lot of people got the K and N. K and N filter. A couple days ago, I was wondering, did we have E85 down here? And it turns out, we do. This is the only store I know. Now, like without doing any research.
Yeah.
That's the E85.
I ain't know either though. And actually,
E85.
bro, in Montezuma, bro, the gas can go down there. Got E85.
The what?
The gas can go down there. That gas station.
In Montezuma?
What? They got E85 down there.
I mean, they do a lot of racing in Montezuma,
Yeah,
so
true.
you know. The blowers could be stronger. I said the blowers. It's still wet. I get to drive the boat. I went to the Dodge dealership and the dude got my number, man. So he said he's gonna hit me up for some videos. Hopefully I get to test drive some stuff soon. I'm definitely gonna test drive. I want to test drive the Hellcat, the Daytona or something. I want to test drive one of them. Want to hold this for me?
Yeah, I got you.
You ain't gotta record everything, just some of it.
I don't even know what the hell I'm recording, really. Oh, it's me in the vid. Yes, sir.
Just some of it. Hey, driving a boat, man. And see, the first time I drove these, remember I had the paddle shifters. It switched that first gear by itself,
Mm-hmm.
and it fucked me up. The brakes are so sensitive. The thing feels crazy. Which way should I go?
To avoid traffic, probably need to go that way and go around.
This thing, it feels so sturdy.
Mm-hmm.
It feels so tight.
I got the wheel mode and like sport, so kind of tight.
But it been smooth. Yeah, you don't know how fast you're going. Like I'm at 50
Yeah,
already.
exactly.
Gee, it's so smooth.
But like every time, like when I got my tickets, bro, I hit my car just for like a second, bro, and I'm already up to fucking 70.
Yeah, but yeah, they
They
wrap
probably
everything. Oh, that's the one I rode in, that Skyline right there?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Using the paddle shifters.
No, not yet. There you go. That'd be fun. Then wait till I get on that when I turn that back road. I said, you can probably start recording. I know that bit getting hit.
How the hell I start recording?
Press the button. Alright, if I do a pull for y'all second gear, I'm wait till I get right in this corner. Ooh, that bitch, it do shift aggressive now.
Mm-hmm.
It do shift aggressive. I said it was soft the first time. Alright, so, damn, it's cool. Second gear pull. Yeah, I ain't want to go too fast. I just got 95.
We didn't get through all 10 gears.
Wow, bro, I gotta, bro.
Yeah.
Jesus. Yeah, I just don't know what this thing doing to me right now, man. For real, like this ain't. Look at that shit. Second gear. Woo. It's so perfect. Oh, it's so perfect. It is so perfect. Jeez. I love that. Jesus. It's so aggressive. 5.0, man. Wow, look at that blue and that
Oh, it's
blue
that.
and
It's
pop,
there. Okay.
man.
Yeah, there we go. There we go. Good right now.
Appreciate it, man.
Sure.
Yes, sir. First time I didn't get it on video, but it is on my Instagram. It was a short video. That was dope. Hey, Auntie.
Hey, Isaiah.
What's up, Jada?
You gotta get my car. That's how fast too.
How fast? What's the fast you been in it?
100.
100. That's it. Hey, Nissan's fast now. No cap. Yo, I'm so in love with this new lens. Jesus, it's so wide. Don't get it messed up now, or twisted, or whatever Todd gotta be saying. Screwed. This is a 5.02 now. Yes, sir. All black over there. Nasty. I need instant torque. I need a Hellcat. I need some. When I turn around that corner, when I bend that U-turn, that bruh, lose all my tires. All my tire tread gone, man. I need a Hellcat, boy. Hellcat little scat pack. Well, I take a 392. I did notice when you started, I can hear the intake more. The intake, it definitely like sucks the air more. Just a tripod, to make it stable.
Oh.
And then so when I turn around on myself, I get so
What's that at the top?
mic.
Oh, microphone. It look like
Yep. So what's up to the vlog? I had them AirPods. I need to get me some.
You still get on. If it gon' burn up, then let me get out the way.
It's not gonna burn up. Don't say that. Keep holding it. Yeah. Oh, it's cold. This thing is loud. Have you noticed this? The little Mustang symbol in there?
Yeah.
That's dope. Let me see. That's dope.
How you gonna put on a jacket and you still got on shorts?
Your legs don't get cold as your top part.
Exactly.
I
Yes,
feel
they
that.
do.
No, I can wear a hoodie and have on shorts.
No.
God.
Yeah. My legs be alright. It's just my top part get cold.
Literally finna be in a circle. Going driving in a circle.
You must gonna hit it.
No. We just driving for YouTube. Say what now?
I had to teach him about his car.
He don't know how to drive, man.
Nah, he could drive, but he don't know how to drive. They like me.
Go over.
Man, move, Reagan, man. Go on.
Come on this side.
What's up
She
with
gotta
you?
start that,
I don't
dog.
even understand what's up with you.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it.
Yeah, this your seat. This you. You adjust the seat.
No, I adjusted when I get my car back. Because it seemed like your mama got this on all out of whack.
It's hers now.
Shit. Right, go down
Yeah, that's good.
Oh. 10 speed, man. That thing moves. Jeez.
Hey, it's a monster right here, dog. Hey, it didn't do what it did last time, man. It didn't do what it did last time, man.
there. What it did?
It ain't pulled back, man. Wasn't nothing pulling it back just then.
It's smooth.
Dang. Cause you remember when you took that filter out?
Yeah, it caught too much air.
Bro,
It caught too much cold air.
no, dog. Hey, that was it, though, man.
It caught too much cold air.
Hey, that was it, though. Just did, now. That was.
I love it, man. See, this is why I need rear-wheel drive.
You forgot.
Yeah, I'm gonna say you got switch.
Hey, that was it, man.
I just bumped that up there.
There you go, Dad. Hey.
This thing
Hey,
nasty,
dog.
man. Jeez.
Boy, god damn.
Man,
This thing is crazy.
Damn.
That thing's so
Hey,
smooth.
man.
It's just like Ford, you know, he was sliding, switching the gears. That
Man,
sounds so
boy.
cool, man.
Man, god damn. I said, god damn. I'm sitting there hitting that. That's why I don't fuck with that kind of stuff.
The paddle? Yeah.
Yeah, I done hit that sucker.
I forgot. You done forget.
Blow that fucker up.
Run away and I won't catch it.
Undo it.
I'm Isaiah, bro.
I'm Jalen.
Nice to meet you.
If he ain't touched it yet, I'm ready for him. I know you done did something to it though. But give me that one.
They was touched too.
Alright, Daddy.
You touched yours, why I can't touch
I ain't touched mine. I don't stop. I'm Jalen.
That's a bad car, man. How you doing, man?
Free
Jay.
Jay.
Yeah.
More, he stopped me and talked to me about it. He said he think about
I like them tail lights.
he stopped me at the snow one day.
Bro, you scared of me?
Hey, what up? I'm ready to line up at night. You was scared.
Nah, man. It was nighttime, man. What film are you?
That's like a bones.
I don't got nothing in here, bro. That's the.
You
this ain't
doing
nothing,
something.
bro.
You doing something. Come. What you done did to that one?
Fuck the wheel, man.
We'll probably go on that one too, man. I'll drive that one.
Y'all work on cars, man. I know.
No, man.
Nah, they don't work on
Now that one come on.
That's what I'm saying. Y'all people.
Yeah, shit. No, this is technology crowd here. Shoot, we work on carburetors, man.
You done did something. I'm gonna find it. Look, Sean, I'm gonna find it.
You done blowed it out or something. That sounds different.
That's the only thing. That's the only thing. But I'll show you that though.
No, this here come with a program.
I'll show you that though.
You got the K&N tape, man.
Because that come with a program. It's a
Straight
program.
K&N. Everybody get the K&N.
It's
Straight.
a program.
That's the bad one. That's what I'm saying.
And the program with it, man.
Yeah, you just can't stick that on you.
Somebody he can stop.
With that,
That ain't stop.
That
man.
basically stop.
That's about 150 more horses.
Man, no.
Can't even see right now.
for today. Stay tuned for more content though.
Yes, sir. We coming big.
My name is Isaiah Toots. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We out. Peace.